Electric vehicles are no longer just a trend, they're the future of transportation. As we approach 2025, the automotive industry is experiencing a revolution. Electric cars are becoming faster, smarter, more affordable, and more sustainable than ever before. Today, we'll explore the most innovative electric cars of 2025. The Tesla Cybertruck continues to break the mold when it comes to electric vehicles. With up to 800 horsepower and 0-60 in just 2.9 seconds, this isn't just a pickup truck, it's a futuristic, all-electric beast with over 500 miles of range. The BMW M3 brings luxury and performance into the EV world. With 286 horsepower and 285 miles of range, it offers the perfect combination of luxury and practicality. The Rivian R1S is designed for adventure lovers who want off-road capabilities. With 750 horsepower and quad-motor system, it's perfect for those who want an electric vehicle that can handle tough terrains. The Nissan Leaf. Nismo combines eco-friendly driving with performance thrills. 226 horsepower and 270-mile range in a package that doesn't sacrifice fun for sustainability. The BYD Atto 3 offers impressive value with 400 miles of range. Starting around $35,000, it's a practical choice for families and city dwellers. 2025 electric cars feature revolutionary improvements in battery technology, offering longer ranges and faster charging times than ever before. Many 2025 models offer advanced autonomous driving capabilities, plus seamless integration with smartphones and AI assistants. The future promises solid-state batteries that are lighter, faster charging, and longer lasting, with expanding global charging networks making long-distance EV travel more convenient. Automakers are using sustainable materials and eco-friendly processes, making electric vehicles more environmentally friendly than ever. 2025 is a turning point for electric vehicles. Whether you want high performance, luxury, adventure capability, or affordability, there's an electric vehicle for everyone. Which electric vehicle are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the future of the automotive industry is electric, and 2025 promises to bring some of the most advanced electric cars yet. With cutting-edge battery technology, faster charging, and autonomous features, electric vehicles are becoming more practical and appealing than ever before. In this video, we will explore the latest innovations in electric cars for 2025, focusing on the most exciting models, advanced features, and what's next for the future of driving. Tesla continues to lead the EV market, and the Model S Plaid remains one of the most powerful and advanced electric sedans on the road. Power, 1,020 horsepower. Range, 390 miles. Performance, 0-60 miles per hour in 1.99 seconds. Charging, 80% in 30 minutes with Tesla's supercharging network. Technology, full self-driving capability, regular over-the-air updates, and premium interior. Tesla's Model S Plaid continues to set the bar for electric performance, offering an exhilarating driving experience with unmatched speed and technology. The Mercedes-Benz EQS 580 is the luxury automaker's all-electric flagship sedan, bringing world-class comfort, technology, and performance to the EV world. Power, 516 horsepower. Range, 350 miles. Performance, 0-60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds. Interior, luxurious materials, M-Bux Hyperscreen, advanced climate control, charging 80% in 35 minutes with fast charging. The EQS 580 offers a sublime balance of performance and luxury, setting a new standard for electric sedans. Ford has electrified its best-selling F-Series with the F-150 Lightning, an electric pickup truck that combines the power of traditional trucks with cutting-edge EV technology. Power, 563 horsepower extended range. Range, 300 miles. Performance, 0-60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. Towing, capacity, 10,000 pounds. Technology, Pro Power onboard for powering tools and appliances, advanced driver assistance systems. The F-150 Lightning blends the best of both worlds, a powerful, rugged electric truck with all the modern tech you could want. The Audi Q4 e-tron is Audi's compact all-electric SUV, offering a combination of luxury, practicality, and advanced features that make it a strong contender in the EV SUV market. Power, 295 horsepower. Range, 250 miles. Performance, 0-60 miles per hour in 6.3 seconds. Interior, spacious premium materials, intuitive infotainment system. Charging, 80% in 35 minutes with fast charging capabilities. Audi's Q4 e-tron delivers a perfect blend of technology, luxury and performance in a compact, practical SUV. Jaguar's I-Pace remains one of the most stylish and high-performance electric SUVs on the market, offering an exciting driving experience with a luxury touch. Power, 394 horsepower. Range, 260 miles. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. Charging, 80% in about 40 minutes with DC fast charging. Interior, premium finishes with a modern minimalist design. The I-Pace continues to impress with its blend of power, performance and luxury, making it a top choice for electric SUV enthusiasts. Longer range. Electric cars in 2025 are achieving ranges over 350 miles on a single charge, reducing range anxiety. Faster charging. New charging technology allows for 80% charge in under 30 minutes. Autonomous driving. Many cars will feature Level 3 autonomous driving, making driving safer and more convenient. Luxury interiors. Many EVs now feature high-end interiors with premium materials and state-of-the-art infotainment systems. Eco-friendly materials. Increasing use of recyclable materials and sustainable practices in manufacturing. 2025 electric vehicles are more sustainable, faster, and equipped with more advanced technology than ever before. Battery advancements. With improvements in solid-state batteries, expect electric cars to have faster charging, longer ranges, and longer battery life. Fully autonomous cars. By 2025 we'll see even more cars equipped with Level 3 or Level 4 autonomous driving capabilities, which means less need for driver input. Global charging infrastructure. More fast charging stations are being built worldwide, making long-distance travel in electric vehicles more practical. Sustainability focus. Automakers are increasingly focusing on sustainable practices, including the use of eco-friendly materials and green manufacturing processes. The future of electric cars is promising, with technology continuing to evolve toward faster, more efficient, and greener transportation. As we look toward 2025, electric vehicles are poised to dominate the automotive industry. With groundbreaking features, powerful performance, and eco-friendly designs, the electric cars of tomorrow are here today. Whether you're looking for luxury, performance, or practicality, there's an electric vehicle for you. Let us know in the comments which electric car you're most excited to see on the road, and be sure to like and subscribe for more updates on the electric revolution. Thor will cert Lockerby if we Wubulam Ulfin Wookum se Wishrin, Stabich will cert Lockerby, Kthur Turan Wukfa Wishwulfi Losoli. Melotsint Lumst Murphy Canolgi Lobitrit, Wazida Emdes Lakida, Wizard Lushin, Wudgerby Lokida Lushmal, Spit Losert Lockerby, La Wush Consider Loswogel Cert Loclidi. Fiat Alfidu, Sinster Defdel Losert Lockerby, Lam Ulfin Wookum se Wishrin, Mitslet Dual, Miss Larasive Wum Yegel, Ms. Fiom Lokida Lumstum. Demon Tisel Middle through Lamolfin Worm so Wishrin. Domnantisel Model 3 Minute Dollar Fi Socu Cert Lockerby, Wadi Sturolfin Worm so Wishrin, Milam Zidman, Letterkit, Ligil Licker, Lolish Technology, Wumpman Bilby, Elhedsu. Tisel Middle 3 Toy Dem, Dan Lamental, Wamdakita, Twill, Wignology, Matigid, Mental Lookit, Latif, Lokm, Tithleberm J. Berlantern, Wish it Namskabir, Shul Luthcum Beckelshi. Kent the Biffin Serb TM, Bain Led Wotnology, Fin Tisel Moodle, 3 Zil Mimson, Queen Fi Soyu, Cert Lockerby. Nicolan, Woody, Drunjidi, Lamolfin, Rooms Wishrin. Serb Sidin Kirby, Leila Jim in Rufis, Woody Lemmies with Tenate will cert Lockerby. Let's Mimlanik would Lizni, Yolni, Tranjodi, Mimson, Queen, 5 people cert Lockerby, Wolfker. Mood Dickley, Vicar, Woodies, Daniel Dave, would Jeremy Gade, Marie. Woody, Tranjiti, Comibden, Jicklin, Worthy, Fiser Kirby, Nisan Raylam, Alfin, Worms, Wishrin, Fiser, Deverbe Kirby, Nick Wolf of Tidham, Kim, right, Rugben, Picket, and Serb Kirby, Stake will be a Wolves amends. Raymond Lee, Yota, Determined, Fatal, Liquor, Don Linzel, and Lumsy, Lumps, Real, Clear, was one just based, dated metal, Lumps, Clear, what can you pro pilot systems, there will seek. Dating and beaten Serb Kirby, Yeliti, and when and Lumps, what and all G. Lumtikin, and Nisan Ray, Helica, Lumpful. And so Lan Lo Rafen are one Telam Ofen Wickham Silver Shrin. Rafen Tikudim Lobicker Phylum Lushan Lokerby, Wooded our one Tate Gearin to Drain Lushkum Myrtle Turklor, Game Lushan Benki, Little Kirby, also be Lumtobi, El Turklor, Menzum to Lake Wai, Gearbert Kabir and Lord. The Kentman Mint be them to Mark with Ocean Kirby equivalent with all, and Rafen are one Tate to Widim Luck, Jared Friday Fisokal Circle Kirby. Jikor Abbey's Lamolfin Wickham Silver Shrin, by Sir de Verbe Kirby, Curtin, who been literally went with Look Nit one Kid at the door of 12.
Nick when my market beside Miss Tanya met me to for Larry Worthy fecal roll. ABC, look here left the electrical cert.